Hello sir, I will discuss International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities IALE Buoyage System and its region to ensure safety and navigations. The IALE International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities Buoyage System is a globally recognized system that uses various colors, shape, and light patterns on buoys and other navigational aids to ensure safe and efficient marine navigation. It's divided into two regions, A and B, primarily to recommended historical differences and voyage practices. The system helps mariners avoid hazard and navigate safely, particularly in areas with complex waterways. Regional Regional variations. The ILA system is divided into Region E and B to account for historical difference in voyage practices. Region A is used in Europe, Africa, most of Asia, Australia, and parts of South America, while Region B is used in North, Central, and South America, Japan, Korea, and the Philippines. These marks, which indicate the preferred side of a channel, are the primary difference between the two regions. In Region A, red buoys indicate the starboard right side of the channel as you are going upstream or outward, and green buoys indicate the port left side. In Region B, the colors are reversed. Red indicates the port side and green indicates the starboard side. Both Region A and Region B use identical marks for cardinal, isolated danger, safe water, and special marks. These marks provide specific information about the nature and location of hazards or other important navigational features. The IALA buoyage system ensures that all navigational aids are standardized and understood globally, promoting safe and efficient marine navigation. In sense, the ILA buoyage system is a crucial tool for maritime safety, enabling mariners to navigate safely and efficiently by understanding the standardized information provided by various navigational aids. The International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation IALA buoyage system is a global standard for sea marks that help guide ships. The system uses buoys, beacons, and other marks to indicate safe water, channels, and hazards. How it works. Buoys Buoys are used to mark channels, headlands, reefs, and other hazards. Colors and shapes. Buoys are designed to different colors, shapes, and light patterns to convey specific nautical information. Regions. The system is divided into two regions, A and B, to accommodate historical difference in voyage practices. Electronic aids. The marks can be complemented by electronic means. Types of marks. Lateral marks indicate the edge of a channel and the port and starboard sides. Cardinal marks indicate the direction of safe water at a dangerous spot. Safe and water marks indicate deep water and the open end of a channel. Special marks indicate a special area or feature such as a pipe outfall, speed restriction, or water-seeking area. Isolate danger marks indicate a hazard shipping. What are difference between the two ILA buoyage system, ILA Region E and ILA Region B, and where are they used? As recently as the 1970s, there were more than 30 buoyage systems in use around the world. This caused confusion and accident, and it was after two fatal incidents in the Dover Strait in 1971 that the ILA International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities was established. There followed a worldwide effort to develop a safe, unified maritime buoyage system that could be followed by all vessels at sea. This resulted in the ILA Maritime Buoyage System, and by 1980, there were just two systems in use, ILA-A and ILA-B. Also, there is not as yet one unified system for the whole world. This was a major achievement nonetheless, and the difference between ILA-A and ILA-B are only minor. The ILA chose the two systems in order to keep the number of changes to existing system to a minimum and avoid major conflict. ILA Region A. ILA-A is used by countries in Africa, most of Asia, Australia, Europe, and India. ILA Region B. ILA-B is used by countries in North, Central, and South America, Japan, Korea, and the Philippines. ILA Region E port lateral marks and light are colored red. ILA starboard lateral marks and lights are colored green. ILA Region B port lateral marks and lights are colored green. ILA-B starboard lateral marks and lights are colored red. The difference lateral marks. The difference between the two systems is the color and light characteristic used for lateral marks as follow. ILA Region E. Port lateral marks and lights are colored red. ILA the starboard lateral marks and lights are colored green. ILA Region B port lateral marks and lights are colored green. ILE B starboard lateral marks and lights are colored red. Lateral marks indicate the port and starboard side of navigational channels. These are used in accordance with the direction of voyage for the region or specific location as indicated on maritime charts. Where a channel divides a modified or preferred channel mark may be used to indicate the preferred route to take. In ILA Region A, the lateral marks on the starboard side of the channel are colored green and should be passed on the starboard side of the vessel. Those at the port side of the channel should be passed on the port side of the vessel. In ILA Region B, by the lateral marks on the starboard side of channel are colored red and on the port side are colored green. The similarities all other types of buoy. Aside from the different lateral marks, both systems use identical cardinal isolation danger safe water and special marks. In 2006, new danger marks were introduced. See details below. Cardinal marks swarm of hazard to be avoided such as shallows or rocks. Their markers and shape indicate which side of the buoy and vessel should pass and are placed either to the north, south, east, or west of the hazard. Therefore, a vessel should pass to the west of a west cardinal mark or to the east of east cardinal mark and so on. They are painted in combination of yellow and black and have two distinct cone shapes on top, arranged and different combination to help identify them. Isolated danger marks are used to indicate a single hazard, such as a work which has navigable water all around it. Vessels should keep well clear of the mark on all sides. They are colored black with red bands and have two black balls above each other on the top of the mark. Safe water marks indicate there is safe water all around the mark. They are used at the start of buoyed channel when approaching a harbor from the sea. They colored with red and white vertical stripes. Special marks are not intended primarily as navigation marks. They are used to mark the boundaries of areas used for recreation, water seeking, or boating, as racing marks and also for naval activities such as gunnery, range. Special marks are colored yellow can be a variety of shapes. New danger marks were introduced in 2006 and are used as emergency marks for recent risks or new hazard which do not appear on nautical charts. They are colored with blue and yellow vertical stripes.